Welcome to the Mainely Tubs family. I'm sure you're excited about the purchase of your new hot tub, but you may have a few questions. Ultimately, we are here to answer those questions and want to make sure that you have a safe and enjoyable experience with your new hot tub. Today we're going to go over the features of a Hot Spring Highlife hot tub. Your tub may differ a little bit in its features, but essentially it would be the same. And now we're going to go over the features of this topside control panel, which works with both Hot Springs Highlife and Limelight hot tubs. You'll notice that we have 4 exterior hard buttons and 4 interior soft buttons. We have jets that allow us to put on low speed or high or off. We can also turn all jets on at once by selecting Jet Max. Our next button is Options. This will allow us to get in and change our temperature. I have 100 degrees, I can go up or down. I can also control my temp lock directly from the screen. Anytime I would like to go to an existing screen, I'll push the back button. My audio features. This will allow me to turn my audio on and choose the volume at which I have it set. When I enter in my setup mode, this allows me to again work spa lock, summer timer, change my language, or adjust my brightness of the top side. Ace Water Care. This will allow me to test my salt levels in the hot tub, adjust my output, or turn on or off my boost cycle. It is important that every 30 days you reconfirm your output settings. And our last button is Lights. This will allow us to adjust our color, choose our brightness, choose our exterior lighting option, which will allow us to set our daily timer, our dim setting and color, or turn all lights off. Today we're going to go over the functions of a Hot Springs Highlife control. On top you'll notice you have a temperature, 102 degrees Fahrenheit. At the bottom we have a jet insignia, a light insignia, and if our hot tub was equipped with an Ace salt cell or Bluetooth stereo, we would have additional insignias to the left and to the right. If we want to change our temperature, all we have to do is touch up or down, lighting, and jets. On the left side of the screen, you have a power insignia that will turn all functions on at once. We also have a memory. The memory option will allow us to create or restore to a save point. That is a way to lock in your personal preferences. We also have the ability to turn on a clean cycle. And lastly, we have our options menu where we have temperature lock. This will allow us to set a specified temperature in place without others being able to change. Spa lock, which will allow us to make all the functions on the control panel lock out, and the summer timer mode. And always remember that underneath with the handheld remote on the docking we have a jets and a light button, which can always be controlled from here as well. You'll notice that you have 2 lights on the outside of your hot tub, blue and green. Your blue light is a power light. This signifies that the tub has proper incoming power. The green light is your ready light. This signifies that your tub is up to the desired temperature. If you ever have one of these blinking, it could be because you have an issue with your Ace salt cell. It could need to be cleaned. You could also have a problem with flow. Your filters need to be sprayed off. Always try and address these first, but if you ever have a question, I recommend to call your local dealer. Now we're going to go over the different control valve features on this Highlife hot tub. There are 3 different control valves. We have a diverter valve, which is going to allow us to push power between the different zones. Waterfall control valve, which is is going to allow us to choose how much flow we have out of the water column. And lastly, our air control valve. This is going to allow us to choose how much power we have in our seats. We always have the same water flow. It's when we add airs when we truly get the hard massage. Your Highlife hot tub will have between 3 and 5 filter elements. These filter elements are secured by threaded caps. You'll notice that one is different, has a darker colored cap. This signifies the filter that is tied in with the circulation system. This filter is doing 90% of your work and should be rotated between the other filters to ensure even wear. It is our recommendation that you clean these filters regularly, both by spraying off with your hose and in a deep overnight soak solution. Once again, we'd like to thank you for your continued business. If you ever have any questions regarding the chemical use or operations of your hot tub, you can always email us at relax@mainlytubs.com or call us at 1-800-479-7935. Thank you again, and keep relaxing with us.